Rome steps into the scene, bigger and stronger and more organized than anything the world had ever seen. Rome conquers the region, and the emperor knew that Jerusalem needed a local ruler. Like they weren't going to follow this foreign distant emperor, this foreign distant Caesar. They needed a local guy. They needed a face that they recognized. They needed a local ruler, someone who could keep order over the city and keep the taxes coming in. So the Caesar found the most ambitious, the most politically savvy, and the most ruthless man available. Herod. Herod was given a crown, and the Roman Senate gave him a title. Herod was given the title of King of the Jews. Herod was given one job: keep the Jews in line and keep the money moving from Jerusalem to Rome. It was his job. And that's exactly the world that Matthew drops us into. Herod is the Roman-backed, power-hungry king sitting on the throne when Jesus is born. So Matthew isn't mentioning Herod as just background noise. Matthew isn't mentioning Herod just to give you a time marker. Frankly, since Herod is so excited about himself, he names his son Herod, and his son Herod, and his son Herod. That's 4 generations of Herods. You think David's in my family are hard to keep in line. Listen, it's confusing when you read the New Testament. There are 4 different generations of Herods. So Matthew isn't giving you the name of Herod just to tell you when Jesus was born. No, Matthew is contrasting 2 different kings. You see, from the very beginning of the New Testament, the 2nd chapter, Scripture forces us to ask a simple question: who is the rightful king of God's people? Is it the one Rome crowned? Or is it the one heaven sent?